What's up, everybody? This your boy Dennis. Thank you for joining my channel on today. It's 2019, y'all. Look, first of all, I just want to apologize to you guys for not posting a video for like the past month. January the 9th was my birthday. I just wanted to take this month just to enjoy myself and just take a break and just chill. But anyway, it's time to get back to it. This year is going to be great. Over my little break, from YouTube, I did order some stuff. Then I wanted to show you guys. And one thing I wanted to show y'all is a light that I ordered for my channel. At first, I was using this thingamajiggy right here, and this is by Newer, if you can see that. Not a bad light. It has served its purpose on my channel. Like I said, it works. Oh, well, sometimes I have to tap it. The new light that I have, I've already unboxed this light. I wanted to do it on video, but I was too excited when I was on my little break. Anyway, I already have it set up, and that's what I'm using right now. It is the GVM LED bicolor video lights with app function. This light is awesome, you guys. I bought it off Amazon for like $59. Now it's on sale. Well, it's not on sale, but its sale price is $64.99. I'll post a link to this light down below. The light also comes with an app function. You don't even have to get up to turn the light on and off. You can just do it right here. For an example, the power button is here, turns it off. Press it again, turns it on. It has two knobs for brightness and for color temperature. This is the color temperature wheel. If I would bring it all the way to the left, it'll be warm. If I bring it all the way to the right, it'll be cool. So we're gonna leave it somewhere right here at 45, which is like in the middle. Brightness, this light gets very, very bright. It's only on 10% right now, and it's pretty bright. So I'm gonna show you what it looked like at 50%. That's 50%. Now at 100%, that's pretty bright. Let me bring it back down to 10. It also has like different, channels. In case you want to add more lights, you can do so and control all of them at once. And these same two knobs are also on the back of the light as well. So if you don't want to use the app function, you can also tune it as well on the back of the light, which I think is pretty dope. The light also comes with a power cable. This is the plus for me. I always wanted a light with a power cord on it, so I won't have to always use batteries. Now this light does take batteries. It takes 2 batteries. Don't know which ones just yet. I might post it down below or something like that. Just in case, if you want to make it portable, like if you're filming a video or something or take a picture somewhere, you forget your power cord, or maybe you did forget it, you just wanted to take you just want to use the battery function anyway. Now I also ordered the stand to go with the light as well, which works perfect. It is called the Amazon Basics aluminum 7-foot light stand with the case. I think I have it in the closet somewhere, but I get it out. Hold on one second. This is the case that came with the stand. It's pretty durable, I would say. It's okay. It has a strap to it, and anytime you want to break it down and take it with you, you can do that as well. And the light also comes with a case, GVM, which I think is pretty cool, pretty durable. And open it up, pretty spacious. It also has some other stuff. Oh, this is my manuals and stuff. But anyway, it has the light has a diffuser that you can put on it as well. I don't think I really need it right now, but I probably will in the future. I think it's pretty cool, just in case you want to pack up your light, you got the things to do so. That's all that I have to show you guys right now. I apologize for not actually unboxing it. I'll post both product links down below, so just in case you guys want to buy it or go check it out for yourselves, you can do so. The light goes for $64.99. The stand goes for $18.51. But anyway, thank you guys for watching. This is it for this video. I just want to give you guys an update. Love you all. Continue to support my channel. Share this channel, like it, subscribe, comment down below if you guys have any questions or any ideas or any info you guys want to share with me as well. I'll try my best to respond back to you. Let's get it. 2019 is going to be great. Let's go. Oh yeah, don't pay no attention to my background. Right now it's a work in progress. I don't know what I'm doing with it right now. I just wanted to try something. So yeah, don't pay no attention to that. All right, it's not even there. Just imagine not even there. It's just a blank wall, which I should have did anyway. Just a blank wall. Got rid of all this. Yeah, it's going to get better. All right, see you guys later.